Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Assistant on your TCL TV. First of all, to use it, you're gonna need to have a remote control that supports voice input. Look at your remote control and check if there is a microphone button on it, or maybe there is a Google Assistant icon on it, on some of the buttons. If there is, then try holding it down and speaking to your remote control. And in case it doesn't work for you, then you're gonna have to manually enable Google Voice Assistant in your settings. So open Settings menu on your TV, then navigate to Device Preferences, then scroll down to Google Assistant, and then switch it on by switching this toggle to the right. Then select Continue, then select Allow if you want your Google Assistant to scroll through all of your apps, to look through all of your apps in order to let you find the best results. Otherwise, select either choose an option to choose specific applications, or no thanks if you don't want it to go into your apps. Then select Continue, and then either select yes if you want to receive emails about Google Assistant, or no if you don't want to. After that, Google Assistant will be enabled, and now you can start using it by holding down the microphone icon or the microphone button on your remote control and speaking right to it about what you want to watch. For example, I want to watch Harry Potter, or show me the local news channel. Alternatively, you can click this icon and then start speaking to your remote control, and then the Google Assistant will also help you find what you're looking for. And so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.